as you can see, I have all these colors, and you can probably guess it's Valentine's-y. Yes, kind of lovey-dovey in its way. I don't know if you remember, but last year I remember my other ones I did that were just simple pink, I think with a little red, not flower, but hearts. These ones, yes, these ones here. I thought I'd recreate those at least maybe on one nail of mine. So I'm thinking of doing a very pink background on one of my hands. The reason being why I have this black out, as I'm kind of thinking that I might do a hand where a lot of the design is all black. Like I might do the background of this hand not like that, but most of the print is going to be red kind of things, kind of like these ones I saw that were using sparkle on top and these little blobs kind of making roses. So I think I will try to get my freehand to do that a little bit, so like a blob, blah, blah, blah. That's why you see multiple kind of things here like these two, because this one's a topper. So that is my idea. And this one I'm thinking of using, because this is the one that is, what do you call it? The magnet topper that I've been using here and there. So I'm thinking of doing that on top of the flowers. So of course I'm gonna get my magnet out and I'm going to use it to do the design with it. But of course I'm gonna hold that underneath while it's there to kind of get some effect, even though it's gonna be very, very subtle, because it's just gonna be some lines with like a line brush like this, or a line brush like that, depending on which one works for me. I'm going to be doing these by hand, but I may do one of my hands, which is like, I'm going to do one dark one, that's going to be like the other hand dark with pink flowers on top, and this is a stamping polish. So that is why I can do this on top of black, because it's very, very, very pigmented. So let's get into this kind of flower with a little bit of heart feeling of some nail art here. And here we go, starting off with the base. This is a nice light pink base for one of the designs, and another one which is the accent nail with the sheer kind of pearlescence, and then the other half is black. So yes, I'm doing two lines of different colors, and of course my thumb, and I decided to do that pure black. And you will see, yes, as you can see, it's having some problems. I don't know what it is, but I think I'm running out of this black, so I'm using it as best I can. That's why I'm dabbing into places to try to get some there before it dries too much. So yeah, the tip, I need some more, but I will fix it with a second coat, of course. So there is that for the most part. And for some reason, I didn't get a recording of this nail when I did it, but I did 2 dots and I went down with some polish and made the now of the heart. Now I'm doing this design with the flowers, the little blobby blobs like you saw in the video. I'm doing around 3-ish, doing 2 with the red sparkle and 1 with this kind of reddy purple sparkle. And as you can see, I put too much, even when I took some off of the brush beforehand. So I'm trying to, in a nice, timely manner, without ruining it too much, just lightly try to move some of the polish around and get some of it off, so the little blob I need for the flower is not too thick and stuff. So now I had to put some of that magnet topper onto my mat, so that's what I'm doing. And now I'm kind of doing the lines as best I can with the magnet underneath. And I just need a little extra. So there we go, with a little extra, and just kind of going swish, swish. That you can see, that's the magnet being underneath while I do it. So it's kind of pulling in the magnets in it. So now I'm just top coating it, and they came out not too bad for my first attempt. Now some kissy kisses, because I was thinking of doing this as I have a nice plate with tons of them on, as you can see. And this one is the half and half nail, and the half and half I'm doing kiss on one side, so I need to get a few of those, and I'm still using that pink of a color, which is a stamping. So there, and then I decided to do the other side with roses. So yeah, I'm doing half and half of the thing, and because it's a nice stamping polish, it shows, as you can see in just a minute. That's how well it shows on top of a dark color. Now just hold it all in with a top coat, looking good. So now I'm going to do a kiss, and this is going to be the full-on nail, and I decided to try that Holo Taco purpley red polish, and it came out slight, and then the red sparkly one as well. And because the pink might be different than the pink as the base, I tried the pink as well, even if it's going to be more subtle of a kiss than I was thinking, but I think it showed up a tiny bit. And now I'm just going to hold it on with that nice glossy thick top coat, careful because it's stamped. And now the full heart stamped, which is on the full black nail here, as I hold it in nicely this way, and there it is, fully done. And yes, there might have been some globules of bigger pieces, but it looks good. Now I'm putting my second coat of polish on with the thinner top coat, because this has really helped me out to make my nails last longer. Every single one getting that. Of course, my thumb gets that second coat as well, so they are looking good. Oh my, going off the darkness to the happy side of it all and mixing them two on each hand, as you see. And oh my gosh, without even realizing it, especially with the kissy kisses, it kind of makes me think of Mean Girls, right? Mean Girls. Those movies, oh my gosh. You know, like the burn book of it all. So I guess from years ago when I did kiss nails, and I decided to do them again on one of my nails, like that. And then this one's different, see? The black background version. Oh me, oh my. I am loving them to it all. This one's more of the dark side, this is more of the light, with a little bit of the dark and a little bit of the light. So that is me doing it different, but the same. So with all that and my version of some Valentine's-y, cutesy, just mwah, mwah, to the roses as well. Even if my roses came out a little wonkified when I tried to do the hand ones when I was doing that technique that I saw in that video, it looks interesting though. So with no matter, I'm still loving it. So with all that and all the niceness, I will see you next time. Sparkle to it all.